Le video lena ngizoyenza ngesiZulu cause ngizonyamalala. Ngizonyamalala meke bayibona. Hey boy, I'm shaking yazi ngisho uma uthi angayenzi le video. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama. Ngizonyamalala mina, but I have to. Asiqale. Ngo-2013 i-America ne-England yahlangana. Bahlanganelani bafuna ukcreate i-International Sovereign Authority, i-ISA. Umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi why beqala le-ISA. They discovered a golden opportunity eSouth Africa ngoba sine unstable politics, sine weak intelligent infrastructure, mase siphinde sibe ne-massive economic inequality. Bafuna ukuthi bathathe over ngoba bebona ukuthi si weak. Waqala ke uplani we-ISA. Omunye umuntu uzoyibuza ukuthi yini uplani wabo. It is to destabilize iSouth Africa from the inside. Bathumela impimpi dressed as businessmen, ama-investor, bathi abahambe bayothatha i-control of i-media, i-politics, i-big business, ne-technology kanye ne-public opinion yabantu. And so from the shadows ecasheni bona they control konke lokhu. Kusho ukuthi they control wena nezwe lakho, kodwa asikwazi lokho ngobani, it's all a secret. Hlakanipha mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi i-America ne-UK ihlanganile ba-create i-ISA, and njengamanje khona abantu abala eSouth Africa abasebenzela i-ISA bayimpimpi for isitha, benza sure ukuthi no matter what happens asuphazamisi umsebenzi, and if khona umuntu ophazamisa umsebenzi uyagudluzwa quietly kungaboni muntu. They control wonke ama-sector alana, and they control them from the shadows. According to ama-leaked documents engiwathathe ngiwanikwa over 3,700 yezimpimpi have been quietly distributed across South Africa ngo-2014. They operate kwi-government department, ama-law firms, ama-media houses, ney'ndawo ey'ningi within South Africa. Around 18.6 billion in foreign investment has been funneled through shell companies between 2015 no-2023 to fund le operation yabo, khona bazokwazi ukuthi baqhubeke basimpimpe kwisitha uma siphazamisa umsebenzi. Labantu batholakala in every major big business, in every sector la eSouth Africa, and thina asazi. Labantu banempimpi. I-ISA yenza sure ukuthi khona impimpi in every sector, in every big business. Ngisho na politics ukhona at least one or two wabo laphaya, and bona their job is to report kwisitha ukuthi kwenzekalani, khona ngeke kube khona umuntu ozophazamisa umsebenzi. 85% of major local media houses are owned ama-silent stakeholders, ekuyibona ababatshenayo ukuthi khuluma ngalokhu, ungakhulumi-ke ngalokhu, thula. And then understand ukuthi almost 70% of ama-tech contracts aphuma ku-government are linked to i-US ne-UK companies. Ibona abakontrolayo, ibona abasavelayo ukuthi kwenzekalani eSouth Africa. Nangu awuthiwa bengiyimpimpi lo bezokwenza umsebenzi wami belula, kodwa hayi angifuni ukuthiwa ngithe I'm not allowed ukukhuluma ngalo. Ahlangane kwipage elilandelayo. Banama-satellites are over 6,000, and each satellite iyodwa ine-data collection tag, lento ekwazi ukutracker ukuthi wena ukephi, uthengeni la ukhona, digital footprint, uthengeni, waposta wathini. Iphindi track ukuthi ufonele bani nakhuluma ngani. Understand-ke mntu omnyama ukuthi bane advanced AI surveillance system le ezobheka ama-high risk South Africans. Obani ama-high risk South Africans? Ama-activists, amaqabane, ama-journalists nama-community leaders, abaholi bethu. yethu. So ayisakhali indaba ye-revolution, phelile ngoba bazobe sebazi ukuthi nikephi, nenzani, nobani, nikhuluma ngani. Understand nina understand. Musa ukuloku uyitshena ukuthi si-free, musa ukuyitshena ukuthi sikhulekile. Basikadile labantu laba, basikadile, and bazokwenza sure once kwafika inkanyezi ukuthi bazi yonke into ngawo. Understand nina, doesn't understand. Hlakanipha mntomnyama and understand ukuthi i-ISA, International Sovereign Authority, by u-2026 izosebenzisa inkanyezi, and it aims to have 94% total coverage of South Africa's population. Lokho kusho ukuthi every message, call, i-location yakho, i-internet search yakho izodlula bona. They will have control of everything oyenzayo. Kunabantu abagudluzwa i-ISA ngoba sebephazamisa umsebenzi. Abantu abafana njengoSindiso Magaqa, uKarabo Mokoena, uGiven Watson, uClint Reuters, mase kuba ilaba ababetrethnisha ukukhipha iqiniso ukuthi uMr President Ramaphosa kwakuyena umphathi weMarikana Mine la ekwenzeka khona isigeme. I'm sure uyayibuza ukuthi why beyenza lento. Basically they want to protect foreign owned assets abo, izinto ezifana njengama banks, ama insurance firms nama mines. They also want to ensure political control through ama puppets. Banama puppets asebenzela bona la eSouth Africa. They fund them and they manage them, babatshentsi bazothini. They also want to make sure ukuthi ayikho superpower ezovuka la eSouth Africa. Akekho umuntu ozovuka athi yena ufuna ukudominate South Africa axoshe isitha la eSouth Africa. They also want to control i-future yezwe lethu. They want to make sure ukuthi batesta izinto enjengamagama amathathu. Lento yabo bayihlela kudala ngo-2013 and iyasebenza. Kuneimpimpi across South Africa reporta kubona, reporta kwi-ISA, i-International Sovereign Authority. La khona bebatshena ukuthi senzani singama South Africans, and if khona umuntu ophazamisa umsebenzi they decide ukuthi bayamgudluza noma bayamkhokhela imali ukuthi athule. Bacontrol ukuthi kudlalani indabeni. They sponsor ama influencers, banama fake outreach programs la khona be pretend ukuthi bafuna ukusiza umuntu omnyama kanti eqinisweni bafuna ukwenza sure ukuthi akekho la kwi crowd onamandla okuphazamisa umsebenzi. Bacontrola inkolo yakho phecelezi Christianity, bacontrola ukuthi usabani, and bacontrola ukuthi uvotelani. Igoli yabo ukwenza sure ukuthi umuntu omnyama uhleze ehlupheka. Igoli yabo ukwenza sure ukuthi umuntu omnyama akalazi iqiniso, because once umuntu omnyama wasebenzisa lento waqala wabuza lembuzo engafuneka ibuze ukuthi ama resources ala eSouth Africa ayapi, ukuthi indaba khamba ugesi, indaba khamba amanzi, usiyaqala ube threat ngoba usephazamisa umsebenzi.